Shut the fuck up. One thing I can't fucking stand is when people eat with their mouths open. Like, it's all fine if you're eating an apple, something that's really naturally loud, but when you're eating something that doesn't need to have any sound whatsoever, why the fuck are you making that much noise? And it's worse when it is something crunchy and they're just opening their mouths, making it the loudest sound they could possibly make. Just there fucking munching their food, you know, trying to piss you off just by eating. I literally can't eat my food if I'm sitting with someone who's just there munching their food really loudly, not even closing their mouths, like a fucking dog. Like, you'd be there just casually eating your food, and then the person you're sitting next to is just going at their food like there's no tomorrow. Something that also pisses me off is when they talk with their mouth full. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? You just swallow it and then talk to me. Right, you're that story, you fucking lying story, and fucking, you know what I mean? Right, yeah, just shut up and chew it, swallow it, and then talk to me, you unhygienic prick. One of the reasons why I don't like going to the cinema is because the people around you are so annoying, it literally puts me off the film. You know, you'd be happily there, just watching the film, happily, you know, happily, yeah, happily, and then someone sits next to you with the loudest fucking packet of food there is. Good movie. Fuck off. And then they decide to slurp their drink like there's no tomorrow. It's like you don't need to be that loud. You're so over the top when you're drinking and eating your food. You could just do it normally and quietly. Just fucking be more considerate for once. Jesus Christ. Another noise that really annoys me when people are eating is the bowl sound, you know, the one where they're just scraping up the food from the bowl and then put it in their mouth, you know that sound, yeah. Why are you scraping your bowl? You just gently get out the cereal, whatever the fuck you're eating, and just put it in your mouth normally. Instead of bloody acting like there's a massacre going on, like, why do some people do it? Have some fucking manners! And now the last thing on my little list of things that fucking annoy me is when people eat their gum. For example, this is how a normal person eats their gum. And this is how a fucking twat eats their gum. So why the fuck are you eating your gum like that? Can't you just eat stuff normally? Please. Now I don't know if I'm just going over the top with the whole chewing and annoying fucking sounds coming out of people's mouths, but yeah. But if you do share the same opinion, please thumbs up this video and comment below some annoying fucking things that have happened when people are eating their food really loudly. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter and tweet me some dickhead shit. I'll tweet you some dickhead shit as well. Oi oi. And I'll see you on Sunday's video. Peace out, dickheads.